doing a little trading during the Sunday evening open. We gapped up pretty dang far, but this first 60-minute candle had a very nice top wick. The trend core has been green, this green background, for the past 15 minutes or so. I just got into a short after this triple divergence plus one extra signal, so we got the 4 signal on the signal counter here. We had the trend flow turning red. We had point of control drawn up into this wick. We also had a decent amount of negative delta coming in for the first time, in the past 10 or 15 minutes. It was a pretty good amount of delta on a very tiny candle. So I got into a short there. We popped down over 10 points back to the 20 SMA, this white dash line. This is the souped up Delta and Divergence trading system. If you want to learn the exact settings, there are video links in the description that will show you how to set your chart up just like this. This is the MNQ 1-minute chart that I'm taking most of my trades off of. Been doing some late morning trading. Signed on right at 11. I've been grabbing some shorts. We were red on the 60-minute hike and ashy. Probably shouldn't be talking. It looks like there's a lot of movement going on here. We had some single bar divergence back here. 1104. Point of control drawn down into the wick. Right at the 15-minute center. Bounced up off the 15-minute center. Right up to the 250 SMA, and we started getting these tiny little body candles. This one, the trend flow turned red. We were still wicking off of the 250 and wicking off a whole number. Got into a short there. We pulled back. We got some single bar divergence. Pre-market center, this blue squared line this was holding. As soon as we dipped below the 20, I grabbed a little short looking to retest the 15-minute center, which we did. And then we just had this huge epic move, tons of negative delta coming in. When we started breaking below yesterday's high with all this delta, I got into a short looking to test pre-market low. And then when we broke pre-market low with a bunch more negative delta, I got into one more short. I've been trading a mix of the micros and the regular NQ, just trying to get my apex evaluation passed sooner than later instead of just making 30 to 60 a day and trading it for over a month. I also grabbed one more Apex evaluation because of the 90% off sale. So I've got 2 now. Apex is supposedly coming out with some big announcements sometime in the near future, sooner than later. I'm guessing some kind of instant funded accounts. Excited to see what they have to offer next. We had some divergence building up. Looks like this was exhaustion, this extra large delta push. We have more divergence. The trend flow delta candles turned green, closed back above yesterday's close. We got some single bar divergence right off of yesterday's close. Pretty big bottom wick. When we broke above that, we just popped up another 7 or 8 points there. We also just bounced off of this previous day VWAP close. Right here, this blue dash line on the ES 5-minute. Previous day VWAP closes are excellent levels to have on your chart. It's part of the MMT Ultimate VWAP indicator. Links are in the description. Just turned noon. I'm going to be done for the day. The price action's been a little slow. Got into one more short. We had the trend core with the delta as an input turning red. Just kind of hovering along the 250 SMA. We had some single bar divergence here. We did not break higher, but we broke lower. We broke below the 20 SMA, got into a short there looking to retest the 15-minute center. Got a few points there. There had been nothing but negative delta for the past 7 minutes. So these are some of the things that I'm looking for when I'm trading the delta and divergence system in the live markets. There are links in the description if you want to learn how to set up the delta and divergence system. Also links to the MMT line of indicators. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.